So today I'm going to be doing welding for the first time. I've got a mate, my workmate Andrew, who is building his own house and he needs some welding done. Just welding up some brackets for his for his building his house. So he's going to teach me how to weld in preparation for the copious amounts of rust repair that I'm going to have to do. So I'm going to take a bit of video and share it with you guys. Hopefully you enjoy it.
So you want to have that probably about 10 mil away.
Yeah.
The tip.
10 mil?
Yeah, about that.
Yep.
Pull the trigger. Yeah, that's come up spot on. Fucking hell, that's alright for the first go.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Like, fast enough,
Yeah,
sort of
perfect,
along,
yeah.
or?
Yes, because you see that puddle, then once you form the puddle, you're sort of there for a bit and then you move on and join your next puddle up with that puddle you just left and you just keep doing that. And those little wiggle bits, they're the bits where you form the puddle and you moved on, and you moved on, then you moved on, which is perfect. Yeah, that's spot on. Yeah, spot on with that.
Cool. Is that better than you thought it was going to be?
Yeah. Well, as soon as you start welding, I knew it would come out like that. That's spot on. That's basically for thick plate. Because the strength comes from the build up of material as well as the penetration. And you can see penetrated pretty good.
Yeah.
Like there'd be a bit more further in because you've obviously started and moved on. But yeah, that's how it's sort of. Yeah. You want to penetrate at least half the material at least anyway. So, but that's spot on. That's exactly it. That's the end result. And you know, if you go too quick, it'll
You'll be able to see it or feel it, or
well, you start seeing little balls and shit.
Okay.
And, you look shit too. Fuck, that's fine.
Well, that's
alright for a first go, eh?
Yeah.
I think you're lying to me. That's what I'm saying. When you're doing before, what you did, you're more angled down like that, and you're sort of going up.
Yeah.
So you want to try and make sure you're in 45 and even both sides.
Yeah. And
just keep that about 10 mil away. You sort of, what happened is you started moving away, and then you started extending out like that. Yeah. It's easy to do. Like you don't realise you're doing it sometimes. But But yeah, it's fine. That's spot on. You're going below the joint then, but you sort of moved on the bottom plate a lot and didn't really touch the top plate a bit. Yeah. The trick is when you're doing it, it's hard to see the two pieces. Yeah. When you're welding, you burn yourself. You can smell it.
No. Oh, with you, that definitely started burning. That's when I started moving around.
So yeah, you'll just look for the corner even though you got the melt welded there, just look for that corner because it's very hard to wander away from it because you don't see the corner. Yeah. So yeah, just look for that corner in your corner of your eyesight there. Yeah. So you know you're on track still. Otherwise, I've done it before. You weld along and you start wandering off. Oh fuck! It's hard. It's easy to do. Smell it anyway. All right, have a crack, mate.
All right.
This is it.
No pressure.
This counts, man.
No pressure.
Nah. That's good.
Fuck, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah. That's good.
And so that's about it, guys. I'm not going to bore you with much more footage. I found it reasonably easy for my first time. It is thick plate, so there's no real risk of blowing through on the welds. But it was a really good opportunity to sort of get my eye in and experience what it's like to actually melt two pieces of metal together. I did go on to weld a lot more brackets than what you've seen. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to starting some welding on the project. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.